Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. As you've seen from the small snippets that I just shared, Abongwe said, you know what, for some of you who have not been to Suncity as yet, let me just show you a small snippet of what it's really like. So she shared when obviously Izingane Zesthembu took them to Suncity. So this is kind of like a mini behind the scenes / her experience at Suncity. And guys, the scenery looks beautiful. Like beautiful, you guys. Like one day not to be pray that, you know what, like we work like this, you work while having fun, because they were there to work, but it looks like they had a lot of fun, you guys. But that is it. Tell me, what did you think of this whole thing? My favorite scene was seeing Usingabako. We know Singabako was on the trip as well, you guys, because Utirelo said, why not? I'm going to use this as an all-rounder type of trip. That scene, or that mini clip where Abongwe was playing with Usingabako, that was like super cute and super beautiful. I think that was, and the slide, the slide looked so fun. But that is Abongwe's monthly mini Suncity dump. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed it. Tell me what you think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.